Mnangagwa ally sparks uproar over Harare ambulance deal. The 17th of August 2025. Spread the love. By political correspondent. Harare. Harare City Council has come under fire after awarding a controversial ambulance services contract to David Mnangagwa, a businessman and longtime associate of President Emerson Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa, who owns Discovery Ambulance Services, has often been showcased under the Presidential Emergency Medical Scheme during state outreach programs. His latest contract with the city, however, has triggered accusations of cronyism, lack of accountability, and betrayal of already struggling residents. At the center of the uproar is the payment arrangement. Harare residents will now be expected to pay cash directly for ambulance use, on top of the existing $1 emergency levy collected monthly by the council. Critics have branded the deal as double taxation, warning that it places a new financial burden on households already battling economic hardships. Tempers flared during a heated full council meeting last week, with councilors bitterly divided over the contract. Some members accused city authorities of prioritizing political loyalty over public service, while others warned the decision could further erode trust in the council. Civil society organizations have joined the chorus of disapproval. Precious Shumba, director of the Harare Residents Trust, said the tender bypassed basic accountability measures. The Discovery Ambulance Services deal was not selected through a transparent and competitive process. It was hand-picked, and that is unacceptable when millions of residents are affected. The combined Harare Residents Association, CHRA, expressed similar outrage. Coordinator Ruben Akili pointed out that the council has already collected emergency levies for ambulances without delivering results. Not a single public ambulance has been bought with the money collected. Instead, residents are now being forced to pay again through deals designed to reward political cronies. The outrage comes against the backdrop of an acute ambulance crisis in Harare. A city of more than 2.4 million people currently relies on just 4 working public ambulances, a fraction of the 48 recommended under international health standards. For many families, this means delays of hours in emergencies, or having to rely on costly private options. Observers say the contract fits into a broader pattern where Mnangagwa's allies benefit from lucrative state or municipal tenders. Similar controversies have involved KUTYA Tagware's Sakunda Holdings in the Command Agriculture Program, Delishangua in the Drax COVID-19 scandal, and PEDZSI Scott, Sakapwanya's gold and waste collection ventures. The irony, critics note, is that just weeks ago, Health Minister Douglas Mamashora publicly praised Discovery Ambulance Services for delivering free health care under Mnangagwa's presidential scheme. Yet the Harare contract now shifts costs back onto residents. City spokesperson Stanley Gama referred questions to Mayor Jacob Maffium, who could not be reached. Ward Councillor Denford and Gadzir condemned the deal, insisting residents are being exploited. Council has already taken their money. Forcing them to pay again is unfair. This is about enriching one businessman at the expense of the public. Mnangagwa did not respond to requests for comment. For many residents, however, the deal is yet another example of politics being placed above service delivery, with ordinary citizens left to pay the price.